Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Shopify to Facebook. This easy method helps you reach millions of potential customers directly where they spend their time online. By integrating your Shopify store, you can effortlessly showcase your products, manage sales, and run targeted ad campaigns across Facebook and Instagram. This streamlined process takes only a few minutes to set up, opening up powerful new sales channels for your business. To begin, access your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand menu, find and click Sales Channels. You will see a plus icon. Click it and choose Facebook from the list of available channels. This action initiates the connection process, guiding you through adding Facebook as a sales outlet for your online store. It is a straightforward step that lays the foundation for your social commerce presence. Next, you will configure the Facebook Business extension. This involves linking your existing Facebook Business Manager account. Carefully select the Facebook page where your shop will appear and the ad account you intend to use for promotions. Crucially, confirm that your Facebook pixel is correctly chosen. This pixel is vital for tracking customer behavior and optimizing your advertising efforts, providing valuable insights into your sales performance. Finally, enable product syncing to automatically transfer your Shopify inventory to your Facebook shop. Take a moment to review your product catalog, ensuring all descriptions, images, and prices are accurate. Once satisfied, publish your products to make them live and visible to your audience on both Facebook and Instagram. You are now ready to start selling directly through these powerful social platforms, expanding your reach significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.